My name is Kenzie Woodbridge. I am a senior systems analyst. I work at the British Columbia Institute of Technology in Canada. I am the knowledge manager and I do technical training as well. My talk at Accento will be about long-term maintenance of documentation. And that's because I actually think that long-term maintenance of the thing is one of the hardest problems that we have to solve. It's the sort of thing that tends to fall apart. And when it falls apart, then we lose all of the value that we have created by creating our documentation in the first place. And therefore, I was hoping to provide some strategies for how to prevent that from happening.
To not miss this and other amazing talks, come to Accento, where you'll be greeted by international speakers with talks about Java, web development and DevOps. Accento is an online conference taking place on September 28th. More infos on accento.dev or get your free ticket on tickets.accento.dev.